Welcome to 2024, where eating healthy on a budget is easier than ever before. Let's dive into some nutrition hacks that will help you make wise choices without breaking the bank. Hack 1. Embrace seasonal produce. By shopping for fruits and vegetables that are in season, you'll not only save money but also enjoy the freshest, tastiest options available. Hack 2. Plan your meals in advance. By creating a weekly meal plan and making a shopping list, you can avoid impulse buys and stick to your healthy choices. Hack 3. Buy in bulk. Purchasing staples like rice, beans, and oats in large quantities will save you money in the long run. Plus, these items have a long shelf life, making them convenient and economical. Hack 4. Don't forget frozen fruits and vegetables. They are just as nutritious as fresh produce and often more affordable. Plus, they're convenient because they don't spoil quickly, allowing you to use them whenever you need. Hack 5. Compare prices and look for deals. Take advantage of discounts, sales, and coupons to stretch your grocery budget even further. Don't be afraid to try different stores to find the best deals in your area. Hey, friends, this bonus track is for you. Meal planning. Plan your meals for the week ahead, focusing on nutritious and budget-friendly recipes. Incorporate versatile ingredients and can be used in multiple dishes to minimize waste and maximize savings. Buy in bulk. Purchase staple items like rice, beans, and oats in bulk to take advantage of lower prices per unit. Store these items properly to maintain freshness and longevity, ensuring you always have healthy options on hand without overspending. Shop seasonal. Opt for seasonal fruits and vegetables, as they tend to be fresher, tastier, and more affordable. Visit local farmers markets or explore supermarket specials to stock up on in-season produce and save money while nourishing your body. Cook at home. Embrace cooking at home as a cost-effective way to eat healthier. Experiment with homemade versions of your favorite dishes and snacks, using whole ingredients and fewer preservatives to improve nutritional value and save money in the long run. Limit processed foods. Minimize your consumption of processed and convenience foods, which are often more expensive and less nutritious than homemade alternatives. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to fuel your body with essential nutrients without breaking the bank. Use coupons and discounts. Take advantage of coupons, loyalty programs, and discounts offered by grocery stores and online retailers to save money on your purchases. Be strategic about when and where you shop to maximize your savings and stretch your budget further. Explore meat alternatives. Experiment with plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh as affordable alternatives to meat. These options are not only budget-friendly but also rich in nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals, promoting overall health and well-being. Practice portion control. Practice portion control to avoid overeating and minimize food waste. Use smaller plates and bowls to visually reduce portion sizes, and aim to fill half of your plate with fruits and vegetables to ensure a balanced and nutritious meal. Utilize leftovers. Get creative with leftovers by repurposing them into new meals or incorporating them into salads, soups, or stir-fries. Leftovers can be a valuable resource for saving time and money while reducing food waste and ensuring nothing goes to waste. Grow your own. Consider growing your own herbs, fruits, and vegetables at home to supplement your diet with fresh, nutritious produce. Gardening can be a rewarding and cost-effective way to access healthy foods while reducing your grocery bill and connecting with nature. Compare prices. Compare prices at different grocery stores and online retailers to find the best deals on your favorite products. Keep an eye out for sales, promotions, and clearance items to save money on essential groceries without sacrificing quality or nutrition. Limit eating out. Reduce the frequency of eating out or ordering takeout, as restaurant meals can be expensive and often less healthy than homemade options. Save dining out for special occasions And prioritize home-cooked meals to save money and prioritize your health. Prep and freeze meals. Prep and freeze meals in advance to save time and money on busy days. Batch cook large quantities of soups, stews, casseroles, and sauces. Then portion them out and freeze them for quick and convenient meals throughout the week. Focus on nutrient density. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods that provide the most bang for your buck in terms of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Choose foods like leafy greens, berries, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins to maximize nutritional value without exceeding your budget. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. And curb cravings for sugary beverages and snacks. Keep a reusable water bottle with you at all times. And flavor water with fresh fruit or herbs for a refreshing and budget-friendly alternative to sodas and juices. Plan splurges wisely. Allow yourself occasional splurges on your favorite indulgent foods or treats. But plan them wisely to avoid overspending or overindulging. Set a budget for splurge items and savor them mindfully to maximize enjoyment and minimize guilt. Invest in kitchen essentials. Invest in basic kitchen tools and equipment like knives, cutting boards, pots, and pans to facilitate cooking at home. Quality kitchen essentials can streamline meal preparation, improve cooking efficiency, and save you money in the long run by reducing reliance on takeout and convenience foods. Stay flexible. Be flexible with your meal planning and grocery shopping to adapt to changes in your schedule. Budget or dietary preferences. Embrace improvisation and creativity in the kitchen to make the most of what you have. And avoid unnecessary trips to the store. Educate yourself. Educate yourself about nutrition, budgeting, and meal preparation to make informed choices about your diet and lifestyle. Take advantage of online resources, cookbooks, and community classes to expand your knowledge and skills in the kitchen and beyond. Celebrate progress. Celebrate your progress and successes along the way, no matter how small. Recognize the positive changes you're making to prioritize your health and budget, and use them as motivation to continue striving for balance, sustainability, and well-being in your eating habits and beyond. In 2024, eating healthy on a budget is within everyone's reach. By following these nutrition hacks, you can nourish your body while being mindful of your wallet. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.